you didn't mean it like that. Should I assume you know exactly how you said it? You know exactly how you meant it. Should I assume it's me? Sweep this position, bitch in position, fucking submission. Should I assume it's a weekend thing? You get ass all week, dropping that ass, just think about me, and it's all good. What's the difference if it's all good? What's the difference if it's still good? What's the difference if it's still good? Just not yours, exclusivity, used to be.
Hey y'all, my name is Uno. Welcome back to my channel. As you all can see by the title, I'll be doing another hair review on this hair from Royal Empire. Before we get started, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'm trying to be more consistent on YouTube. I generally love doing YouTube, so I definitely appreciate any feedback you all have. So don't forget to put on the notification bell so you don't miss any video by me. Oh, and also, I have in my aligner, that's why I'm talking funny, so please excuse that as much as you can. This hair is from Royal Empire. It is Canadian based, I believe. Also, thank you to Royal Empire for sponsoring this video. It is deeply appreciated. This is their Hazel unit. It is a 4x4 closure wig bob. The hair is made with Indian silky straight hair. Yeah, it's the color like a dark brown with like a little bit of you know, blonde hair highlights. And yeah, I love this wig. Like, it's very beginner friendly. If you don't want the maintenance of a closure, or not a closure, if you do not want the maintenance of a frontal, this wig is definitely for you because it was so easy to put on. And as you all can see how I'm like applying the wig, it's like literally seamless. The part is already there. It is already like all sculpted out for me, which I also definitely love. And it was so easy to put on this wig. Like, it took like what, 10 minutes for me to put on this wig. The hair was already like straight in. And the thing that I definitely noticed with bobs that are not like of quality, it's like not like it doesn't straighten nicely, but this wig straightens so nicely. I barely even had to straighten it. Like, it came out the box looking like this. I've been wearing this wig for about 5 days now. I love this wig. You know, I'm not a big fan of 4x4 closure because I feel like there's not enough parting space, but like with this wig, it was so easy to part, or it already came like parted for me, and it like gives the illusion that the part is big, the closure is longer than what it is, which I also love because I love me a deep part. Okay, but yeah, I don't have any wig that is this color either, so I'm really happy that I have this now in wigs I can wear. This is the wig if you want to just be simple, if you want to go to work, work out, just like if you don't like wearing long hair, or you live in a place with hotter weather, this wig is definitely for you because it's so easy to just put on and off. You can wear this wig glueless as well. It is, you know, big girl head friendly because for a smaller closure, I do have the problem of wigs not fitting my head, but like this wig is, you know, medium sized to big girl friendly. It comes with clips in the hair as well. So yeah, I just love this wig. Like, I give it a 10 out of 10, and it's black owned, so like I would definitely purchase this wig. I feel like this wig is gonna last me a very long time, so I'm here for it. So that is my review on this hair. I've been wearing it for about a week and it's holding up pretty well. So now you're gonna see how I quickly install this bob unit, so I hope you all enjoy.
Consolation, if it's any consolation, if it's worth the conversation, I don't do this all of the time. I just say that every time. It's worth the life, it's worth the grind, it's worth the bad karma. I bet you like it up, thinking about decisions, how we can get you love it. I'm good, what's the difference? Still good, split the difference. I'm good, what's the difference if it's still good? Just not so exclusively used to be all good, all bad. See love, that's more than so hard to love. Darling, you make it too hard for me. For me, I'm scared of love. Take it deep for me. I wanna be as difficult for me. I'm scared. It's worth the bad karma. That shit like it up. Thinking my decisions, how we could get into love it. I'm good, what's the difference? Still good, split the difference. I'm good, what's the difference? If it's still good, just not sold exclusively. Used to be all good, all bad. Say love, that's more than so hard to love. Darling, you make it too hard for mine for me. I'm scared of love. Take it deep for me. I wanna be as difficult for me. I'm scared of love. Yeah, make you hard to trust. Why you want it from me? I'm bad to love. Take it deep for me. Don't wanna be scared of love. It's worth the bad karma. That shit like it up. Thinking my decisions, how we could get into love it. I'm good, what's the difference? Still good, split the difference. I'm good, what's the difference? If it's still good, just not sold exclusively. Used to be all good, all bad. Say love, that's more than so hard to love. Darling, you make it too hard for mine for me. I'm scared of love. Take it deep for me. I wanna be as difficult for me. I'm scared of love. Yeah, make you hard to trust. Why you want it from me? I'm bad to love. Take it deep for me. Don't wanna be scared of love. It's worth the life, it's worth the grind, it's worth the bad karma. That shit like it up. Thinking my decisions, how we could get into love it. I'm good, what's the difference? Still good, split the difference. I'm good, what's the difference? If it's still good, just not sold exclusively. Used to be all good, all bad. Say love, that's more than so hard to love. Darling, you make it too hard for mine for me. I'm scared of love. Take it deep for me. I wanna be as difficult for me. I'm scared of love. Yeah, make you hard to trust. Why you want it from me? I'm bad to love. Take it deep for me. Don't wanna be scared of love.
So that concludes the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all learned some tips on how to lay your closure wig. I hope you look into purchasing this hair from Empiree because it's clearly bomb, as you can see. It's very bomb. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Please let me know what you'd like to see from me next. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.